you hear a beep, that it automatically went and communicated with the USB hub inside the SEM. Even though the SEM has no power, it's still trying to communicate with it. So PC on, right? Toggle switch up in the back, power switch on in the front, detector power supply on, pulse processor on. So far so good?
Yep.
So again, if you just wanted to turn it off as well, just, right? So, okay, so from here, we're gonna go, well, you guys could watch up here as well. I'm gonna go over to the side a little bit over here. And I'm just gonna get my mouse. Okay, get a password. Your password is MotoGP. You can change it to whatever you want it to be.
The big screen up on the wall is the computer screen.
They're all
On
on
the
the
left.
screen right now. This is your computer.
Right.
Right.
And that's what's gonna be basically displayed on the wall.
Depends
No,
whatever you want
depends.
to display on the wall. You could select your display properties to
Okay.
display whatever you want.
Okay.
Right now, I'm displaying just the main screen.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
So the password was again MotoGP, MOTOGP.
That will be on the test. I'm just
Moto?
telling you, MotoGP. All right.
You could change it.
Motorola?
No, not Motorola. Okay.
All right. Hold on. What's your name again? I'm gonna put him on my list.
So our software, if we're looking at the big screen, right? Because right now we're just duplicating the bottom screen. This is our main computer right here, obviously, right? So if we look at on the big screen, we'll see down over here on our toolbar or status bar, whatever. This is your SEM operation right here, right? Over here, this will be your IXRF. And realistically, if I was to right-click here and go to your display settings, and if I decide to go, instead of duplicating displays, I want to extend the displays. So let me keep the change, let me extend the displays, let me kill this. So right now the mouse will roll over to this display up on top, right? This and this go hand in hand. Now here's your main SEM display. So on the main SEM display, I could literally have my SEM software. And then on this display, I'll have my EDS software. And that's the way you kind of sort of want. You want two displays, right? If you look up there, that's this exact same display, right? I'm just going to grab this, I'm going to extend it over, and I'm going to pop it up. And so here you have EDS, and then down in the main you'll have your main. Or if you want to make that the main, I can't tell you which way to adjust your display settings, right? I mean, I kind of like doing it this way, but for now, we're going to go back and just deal with just the one monitor. This way we're going to talk about the SEM first,
No.
and then we're going to talk about the EDS package.
No, you took that one and just
I just took this and I just slid it over.
slid it over. So you could do just the opposite too. You could take the other one and
This
slide
is
it
primary. I'll have to actually tell it. I'll have to tell it its default settings, and I want to put that on display too.
over. So you can't take this one and slide that.
No, I can't take that and slide it over. All right. So for right now, just very quickly, I'm going to kill this because we're not talking about X-ray, right? We're going to kill that, and I'm just going to kind of like shrink this guy. I'm going to go back over here with display settings, and I'm just going to make everything on one display. I don't want to get too hung up on this. This is just, I'm just going to duplicate everything. I'm going to keep the changes. So all of these displays now are just one display, right? This is the same as this, and that's the same as this. They're all exact